2007 Holden Commodore.
This vehicle has all the features you could dream of, with a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control.
Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included.
If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.